out of my comfort zone.
Do your best. Do your best. We're here to support you.
And I love my team. They were fabulous. So.
Great.
All right. You know how the pandemic has brought to light the plight of the working poor? We help with that. First, we sign people up for weekly food baskets and sign them up as a member. Next, we work with the people to look at their needs and help refer them to the proper organizations. Finally, we give them back their ability to be self-reliant and positive about their abilities and the future. Do you want to know more?
Oh, I do want to know more. And thank you for your work. Oh, that was great. That was really awesome, man. But well done. Out of your comfort zone and all, it felt very cool. That was great.